Okay, good morning my dear student and namaste to all my parents from the side of BR Sigdel. And today I am presented here as usual as in our previous class. I already recited to my dear student, we are in unit 4 and today we are in this lesson 2, that is the domestic violation and this untouchability. Okay, my dear student, listen me. Today our topic is domestic violation and untouchability. It means the घरेलू हिंसा and छुआछूत. Okay, it means घरेलू हिंसा and छुआछूत. Actually we must have to know the concept or the theme or the definition about the domestic violence. Now listen to me here. In the very short form, I would like to make my student understand about this meaning of domestic violence, घरेलू हिंसा. It is very easy, not so hard this lesson. Okay, the domestic violence. Okay, violent behavior. Actually, the domestic violence it practices mostly in the Nepalese society, in Nepalese family at home. Okay, that is known as the domestic violence. But in another way to understand about this domestic violence, the violent behavior, हिंसात्मक चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि व्यवहार. Okay, the violent behavior means हिंसात्मक, intolerable behavior. Okay, the violent behavior like this battering. Battering means कुटपिट गर्नु. Okay, आफूभन्दा कमजोर व्यक्तिहरूलाई परिवारमा कुटपिट गर्नु. Especially male used to beat the female, husband used to beat to his wife. Okay, that the mean of his battering. But nowadays it has become just opposite. Okay, some female also used to beat to this male member. Okay, some wife also beat to this husband too. This has been most frequently seen in this family. Okay, to make you understand, I am reciting all these things in front of you, my dear student. The violent behavior like battering, it means kutpit. Okay, threatening means dhamkaune. Okay, and mistreatment means durbyawharharu गर्ने. Okay, and korikon means force, jabardasti. Okay, etc. mostly such types of the work and activities or intolerable work and activities or behavior that has been done, especially inside this family, inside this home, that is known as the domestic violence. It means this घरेलु हिंसा. त हिंसा जन्य गतिविधिहरू फ्यामिली मेम्बरहरूबाट आफ्नै मेम्बरहरूमा गरिने त्यस्तो खालको चाहिँ अनैतिक व्यवहार. Okay, गतिविधि is obviously known as the घरेलु हिंसा or you can say domestic violence. Okay, actually such types of this violence mostly occurred. Okay, due to this different cause factors. विभिन्न चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि कारणहरूले चाहिँ यस्ता चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि घटनाहरू especially practices in this Nepalese family and the Nepalese homes. Okay, among them the most one is that the bad character. Okay, or illegal relationship, अवैध सम्बन्धहरू. Okay, nowadays peoples are modernized in the name of this Western culture, movie, okay, TV serials. Okay, the most of this individual of this family whereas influence on this bad custom, illegal work and activities, the such types of this behavior that has been seen in the family due to this bad character or you can say the illegal relationship. अवैध सम्बन्धहरूले पनि यस्तो खालको चाहिँ डोमेस्टिक भाइलेन्सहरू नेपाली प्रत्येक घरहरूमा, प्रत्येक घर त नभनौँ केही घरहरूमा ओके घट्ने गरेको पाइन्छ. त ड्यू टु दिस ब्याड क्यारेक्टर एज वेल एज द इल्लिगल रिलेसनशिप. ओके, एन्ड सिमिलरली अफ द म्यानर अफ दिस स्पिकिङ. ओके, द्याट इज अल्सो दिस कज फ्याक्टर. ल्याक अफ लभ एन्ड केयर, this also became this cause factor about this domestic violence. Similarly on the topic of this right, अधिकार का लागि पनि, okay, आफ्नो अधिकार का लागि पनि due to this issues of this right, due to the issues of this adhikar, okay, the domestic violence were most frequently occurring in this family. And similarly due to this illiteracy, okay, अज्ञानता, असाक्षरता, okay, is also this cause factor. Similarly, yes, poverty, garibi also one of the major cause factor of happening this domestic violence mostly in this Nepalese family. Okay, and similarly addiction. Okay, addiction means kulat, either drugs, either is alcoholism. Okay, and in the name of this land, in the name of this property, all these are the cause factors of this domestic violence. The question may be asked you, my dear student, what are the cause factors behind about this domestic violence? List out any 4 points like this. These questions are asked in the examinations. Now similarly, our next topic is untouchability. Okay, chhuachut, very easy. Discriminating the people on the basis of caste, discriminating these people on the basis of religion, language, occupation. Okay, so this is known as this untouchability. Okay, it has been yes prevalent in this Nepalese society from this beginning of this beginning as well as this ancient period of this time. Okay, the such types of this problems are yes occur mostly in this Nepalese society as well as at the home as well as this family too. The question may be asked you that what are the effects of asar, what are the result, what are these effects of this what domestic violence, what are the effects of this untouchability. So randomly I would like to just explain point by point now this effects of this domestic violence. The domestic violence जस्ता चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि गतिविधिहरूले के कस्ता चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि असरहरू सिर्जनाहरू गरिरहेको छ त in family, in society, in neighbors, okay, in community. Now first, the domestic violence obviously it causes this depression, मानसिक चिन्ता है व्यक्ति को चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि मानसिक चिन्ता बढ्नु भनेको उसको पर्सनल लाइफमा एफेक्ट गर्नु हो, असर गर्नु हो. ओके, सम पिपल कम्पेल टु बिकम द म्याड अल्सो, कोही कोही त पागल पनि हुन्छन्. ओके, यस्तो कुराहरू हाम्रो नेपाली समाज र केही घरहरूमा हामी देख्न पाउँछौँ. त डिप्रेसन, मानसिक चिन्ता, फियर, डरहरू बढेर जान्छ मान्छेमा. सिमिलरली यस टेन्सन एज वेल एज द डिस्ट्र्याक्सन. डिस्ट्र्याक्सन मिन्स छत विच्छेद हुनु, भित्रदेखि चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि छत विच्छेद हुनु. Okay, such types of this effect that has been seen in this individual, that is the effect of this what domestic violence. First, now second, break up relationship. सम्बन्ध के हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि ब्रेकअप हुन्छ, नाता सम्बन्ध चाहिँ के हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि ब्रेकअप हुन्छ. Okay, that is the effect of this domestic violence in Nepalese society. We are learning this lesson 2 in unit social problem and this bad custom in Nepalese society. That is our lesson. Okay, and similarly people may involve in the drugs, people may involve in this alcoholism. Okay, and they commit this suicide also. मान्छेले आत्महत्या पनि गर्दछ, they lost their life. So these are the what the effect असर of this what domestic violence. And similarly decrease this excitement. मान्छेमा हुने चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि पोजिटिभ एक्साइटमेन्टहरू, उत्तेजनाहरूमा पनि ह्रास आउँछ, गिरावट आउँछ. बिकज वी आर यस डिस्कसिङ राइट नाउ अबाउट दिस इफेक्ट्स अफ दिस असर अफ द वाट दिस डोमेस्टिक भाइलेन्स. नाउ लिसन मी, इट डिक्रिज दिस एक्साइटमेन्ट. ओके, सिमिलरली यस एगरनेस. एगरनेस मिन्स उत्सुकता, मान्छेमा चाहिँ हुनुपर्ने उत्सुकतामा पनि कमी, ह्रास बढेर जान्छ. सिमिलरली इन्थुसियाजम. इन्थुसियाजम मिन्स खुसी. ओके, उत्साह. यस्ता गतिविधिहरूमा व्यक्तिको व्यक्तिगत पर्सनल लाइफ को चाहिँ यस्तो गतिविधिहरूमा के गर्दछ भन्दा प्रत्यक्ष के त भन्दाखेरि यसले असर गर्छ. इट डिक्रिज द एक्साइटमेन्ट, इट डिक्रिज दिस एगरनेस एन्ड दिस इन्थुसियाजम. ओके, उत्सुकता. एन्ड सिमिलरली लस अफ प्रेस्टिज, loss of this respect, loss of this what value in this society. That these are, my dear student, are these effects of this what domestic violence in Nepalese society. And question may be asked you like this also, what are the effects of this untouchability? Okay, छुवाछुतले के कस्तो नकारात्मक असरहरू सिर्जना गर्दछ त. Now listen me carefully. Point number first, त इट इन्क्रिज द कन्फ्लिक्ट इन द सोसाइटी. समाजमा सधैँ चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि कन्फ्लिक्ट, द्वन्द्व, झगडा जस्ता चाहिँ गतिविधिहरू बढेर जान्छ. यस्तो खालको असरहरू समाजमा देख्न पाइन्छ ड्यू टु व्हाट अनटचेबिलिटी द डिस्क्रिमिनेसन अन द बेसिस अफ कास्ट द डिस्क्रिमिनेसन अन द बेसिस अफ यस अकुपेसन discrimination on this basis of this what occupation and the religion that is known as what the untouchability. Okay, so its effects, it increase this conflict in the society. There is no unity among these people. There is the hatred, there is the jealousy, thoughts of misunderstanding, suspicion, शंकाहरू बढाएर लैजान्छ यसले. Such types of this effect that has been seen in their society, and similarly it affect on their social goodwill. Very nice point. It will what affect on the social yes goodwill. Social goodwill means सामाजिक सद्भाव लाई बिगारेर लैजान्छ by what the untouchability. Social goodwill means सामाजिक सद्भाव मा यसले प्रत्यक्ष असर गर्दछ. and cooperation मेलमिलाप कहिले पनि त्यहाँ हुँदैन. त मेलमिलाप सामाजिक सद्भावलाई यसले बिथोल्ने काम गर्छ, होडल्ने काम गर्छ, नकारात्मक असर गर्दछ. त these are this what the effects of this what untouchability. Similarly loss of social values and this prestige. समाजको मूल्य मान्यता र इज्जतमा यसले के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि प्रत्यक्ष असर गर्छ, त्यसमा आँच आउँछ. त these are the what the effects of this what untouchability. And people feel self humiliation. Humiliation means the अपमान. Okay my dear student, the it yes create the self yes humiliation. So अपमान सिर्जना भएर जान्छ, especially in among these people in their society, and there is the what people think that they are the inferior. Such types of the practice compelled to think to these people they are this inferior. हामी सानो जातको, हामी सानो भन्ने खालको एउटा ह्युमिलिएसन अपमानजनक भावनाको विकास भएर जान्छ. त्यस्ता भावनाहरूले अपराध जन्य गतिविधिहरू बढाउँछ. त these are this what the effects of this what the untouchability. Okay, and similarly it cause the discrimination on this opportunity. Okay, it is directly affect on this opportunity as well as in this other facilities. Okay, the opportunities हरूमा र प्लस अरु facilities हरूमा यसले प्रत्यक्ष असर गर्दछ due to what the untouchability. Very easy, not so hard my dear student. Okay, now the question is asked like this: list out the any four effects and major solutions about this domestic violence, either is untouchability. I am going to recite you what measures should be adopted to avoid or to eradicate the domestic violence from the root level, from this family, from this home level. First, okay, be civilized. Okay, आफू सभ्य हुनु पर्यो. And every individual in this family must stay in this discipline. Okay, घरमा फ्यामिलीमा एक मतलब के त भन्दाखेरि अनुशासनको इन्भाइरोमेन्ट हुनु पर्यो. ओके, र सभ्य हुनु पर्यो सबै व्यक्तिहरू. each and every individual must have to understand the feelings of each family. There must be the culture of respect. If such types of these measures are adopted or is applied or practiced in the society, there is no domestic violence. We are in the topic of solution of domestic violence. Okay. Now first, already I recited once again, my dear student. Be civilized and remain in this discipline, as well as behave among all members equally. सबैसँग समान व्यवहार गर्ने, सबैका कुराहरू सुन्ने, है, निर्णय गर्ने प्रक्रियामा सबैका रायहरू लिने. ओके, एकले अर्कालाई केयर गर्ने, रेस्पेक्ट गर्ने. If such types of this environment behavior, if it is applied, if it started in the family, there is love, care, and affection, and there is this dignity and the prosperity. There is no doubt. Such types of the culture must be maintained among all members in their society. Every members of the society must have to understand this empathy and the sympathy, both of each members of this family. Okay, and support at the time of need. If such types of the cultures are adopted, if such type of these cultures are practiced in this family, obviously there is no space for the what? Domestic violence. Okay. In this way, my dear student, you have to create the answer. You must have to yes create what? Your ideas, your yes what? The views. What things should be yes done to maintain goodwill in this family? Okay, how we can minimize the domestic violence? Okay, so I am giving you the ideas. Okay, so listen me carefully. Okay, and similarly, establish equal ownership. Okay, in this property. सम्पत्तिको स्वामित्वमा सबैको चाहिँ समान हक. Okay, such types of the culture must be yes developed among these family members. If it happens so in this family, there is no conflict, there is no violence inside this family. Okay, so these are the method of this tarika of this solution, samadhan about this domestic violence. Okay, similarly, maintain unity against this domestic violence. त घरेलु हिंसा जन्य गतिविधिहरूलाई अन्त्य गर्नको लागि सबै फ्यामिली मेम्बर्सहरू एकजुट हुनुपर्छ. एकले अर्काको मर्महरू, समस्याहरू, केयरहरूलाई बुझ्ने वातावरणको सिर्जना गर्नु पर्दछ. देन obviously we can solve whatever this problem inside the family, that is domestic violence. So these are the solution of this domestic violence. Now, what are the solution of this untouchability? छुवाछुतलाई अन्त्य गर्नको लागि पनि के कस्ता चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि उपायहरू अवलम्बन गर्न सकिन्छ. Okay, first, maintain the social inclusion. सामाजिक समावेशिता. Social inclusion means that सामाजिक समावेशिता. Okay, हरेक सोशल अफेयर्स, कल्चरल अफेयर्सहरूमा प्रत्येक जातिहरूको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि इक्वल अपर्च्युनिटी एन्ड द स्पेस सिर्जना गर्नु पर्दछ. ओके, मिन्स द्याट मेन्टेन द सोशल इन्क्लुजन, सामाजिक चाहिँ समावेशिता जस्तो चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि गतिविधिहरू हामीले चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि हृदयबाट नै चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि अवलम्बन गर्नु पर्दछ. देन ओन्ली वी क्यान एभोइड दिस अनटचेबिलिटी. ओके, सेकेन्ड, spread the education as well as the bad effects of this untouchability. Awareness educations or education's awareness work and activities should be as done in the society to as eradicate this untouchability from this root level. Okay, my dear student, like this you must have to create the answer in examination. And similarly, increase the collaboration. Collaboration means सहयोग को भावना. Increase the collaboration as well as the goodwill. सहयोगको भावना, सद्भावको भावना हरेक जाति, भाषा, धर्म, संस्कृति जति पनि हामी नेपालीहरू रहेका छौँ हाम्रो समाजमा त्यो कुरालाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि मेन्टेन गर्न जरुरी छ. ओके, मिन्स द्याट increase this collaboration and the goodwill among all people. Then only we can overthrow the date expire culture, that is untouchability from this root level. There is no doubt. And similarly, formulate and implement the effective law against it. है प्रभावकारी चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि नीति नियमहरू बनाएर यसलाई है प्रभावकारी तरिकाले कार्यान्वयन गर्न चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि जरुरी छ to solve the problem like the untouchability from this society. These are this what effects, these are the solution of this domestic violence and this what untouchability. Like this, my dear student, you have to understand the concept about this topic घरेलु हिंसा and छुवाछुत. By learning all these things, my dear student, our focus point is that how the question is asked in examination. That is our objectives. हाम्रो उद्देश्य भनेको एक्जाममा, परीक्षामा के कस्ता चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि प्रश्नहरू आउँछ र त्यसलाई कसरी हामीले समाधान गर्ने, कसरी लेख्ने, by the self creation. That must be our focus point. Now listen to me here. Today I would like to give you idea how to prepare this dialogue. Dialogue is also very important in social study, in any topic, in any lesson. Okay, so take the idea with me. So here is one question. Okay, prepare a dialogue. Prepare a dialogue based on this statement: untouchability is the fault of society. छुवाछुत समाज की के तमधारी गलती हो. यो स्टेटमेंट मा है प्रिपेयर व्हाट दिस डायलॉग. डायलॉग भनेको संवाद तयार गर्नुहोस् between these two students. Very easy, not so as hard. I will give this idea to you. You will understand. I hope so. If such types of the question, if any dialogue from any topic, if it is asked to you in examination, the same method, same way You must have to present your answer in examination. How? Now listen me, my dear student. So you can take this name of any two student of class 10. Okay, but I am here by these two name. Okay, Malvika and yes Raj. Okay, we can take the name Sita or Ram. Okay, Sante and Tante. Okay, and you can see there's a Nirhu or there's a Amarpali. Any name. Okay, any name you can yes take. Take the idea how you have to yes start this answer. First of all, Malvika and Raj are the two close friends of the same class. Okay, take the idea with me. Malvika and Raj are the two close friends of the class 10 who stood first and second in every quarter exam. And they are sitting yes, in this they are sitting at the garden of this school for this tiffin, and they are talking about this topic, untouchability is this fault of society. यसरी सुरु गर्ने र त्यसलाई केमा राख्ने ब्र्याकेटमा राख्ने है. दुईटा साथीहरुको नाम Malvika and Raj, जुनसुकै नाम राखे पनि हुन्छ. Any name you can yes write down there. Okay, about your friend also. Okay, so here I am presenting here with the two name, that is Malvika and Raj. Okay, are the two close friend of this standard 10 or class 10 and who stood first and second in every quarter. Quarter भने प्रत्येक त्रैमासिक परीक्षामा. Okay, the Malvika and Raj are the two close friend of class 10 who stood first and second in every quarter of exam, and they are sitting they are sitting at this garden of this school at this interval time for the tiffin, and they are talking about this topic, the untouchability is a fault of society. Untouchability छुवाछुत समाजकै के भन्दाखेरि गलत उपज हो टपिकमा उनीहरू कुरा गरिरहेका छन्. त नाम जे राखे पनि हुन्छ माइ डियर स्टुडेन्ट. नाउ त त्यहाँ एउटाले चाहिँ क्वेशन सोध्ने हो, अर्कोले आन्सर दिने हो. यसरी चाहिँ कन्भर्सेसन संवाद तयार गर्ने. Now yes, Raj Kopali, there is the yes, Malvika and Raj are the two close friends of this class 10, standard 10, and they are sitting at this interval time for the tiffin, and they are talking about their study. What is student look? Interval time मा पनि उनीहरूले आफ्नो पढाइको कुराहरू गरिरहेका छन्. त यस्तो खालको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि वातावरण विद्यार्थीहरूले सृजना गर्न सकियो भने obviously स्टडीमा प्रोग्रेस हुन्छ. इभन इन्टरभल टाइममा उनीहरू पढाइको बारेमा कुरा गरिरहेका छन् by sitting at this garden of this school. Such types of the culture you must have to yes make in your school also, my dear student. It is my request for you all, my dear student who are watching me. Okay, the Malvika and this Raj are the two close friends of class 10 who stood first and second in every quarter of this exam. Okay, and they are talking in the topic about this untouchability is a fault of society. Okay, there is the Malvika and Raj. Now Raj asks the question. Okay, Raj, hi Malvika, yesterday I missed my class. मैले हिजो आफ्नो क्लास लाई मिस गरेँ. So I am little bit confused about the topic of this untouchability. Could you please tell me about this untouchability? Look, what a nice question. What a curiosity, utsukta of the Raj. He is absent yesterday due to his health problem. He missed the class. Okay, and he curious to know about the topic untouchability because of he has missed his class. If curiosity develop on this student and interest to know about the missed class, obviously it is this plus point for this student. Such types of the culture must be as developed among this all student. Then only you became the what? Fabulous student. You can secure the good marks in this examination. Now Raj, hey Malvika, yesterday I missed my class due to this health problem. Can you tell me about the untouchability? Look, this is the question of this Raj to his friend Malvika. While you ask the question to your friend in this dialogue, don't forget to put this question mark in examination. If you forget to put this question mark, then the marks will be as minimized, marks will be as deducted. So that you must have to understand, my dear student, for this examination. Okay, the Raj is asked the question, hi Malvika, yesterday I missed my class due to my health problem. Could you please tell me about this untouchability? Means that Raj was just confused. He missed the class, so that he is curious and he asked the question to his friend. Now Malvika Kopali, of course my dear friend, take the idea with me how to yes make this dialogue. Okay, of course my dear friend, listen, एन्ड डट 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 4-5 वटा के गर्ने त्यहाँ डट डट गरिदिने पेनले. Untouchability, just right now I make you understand about the concept of untouchability. The Malvika is also reciting the definition, concept of this untouchability. Of course, my dear friend, listen, untouchability is the discrimination between people on the basis of their caste, on the basis of their religion, on the basis of their occupation, on the basis of their sex. Sex means male and female. Gender discrimination, physical system, and kept at a distance. So that is known as untouchability. What a nice answer that is recited by this Malvika to make the understand her friend Raj. Okay. Now again Raj, when and why was it originated? Question mark. जोले प्रश्न गर्ने हो त्यहाँ question mark लेख्न जरुरी छ in examination. If you forget the question mark, okay, marks may be deducted. Don't forget this. The Raj now again, when and why was it originated? यस्तो खालको चाहिँ किन कुप्रथाहरू किन र कहिले सिर्जना भयो? The very good question that has been asked by the Raj. Now Malvika turn. Now Malvika says it was originated during this Malla period, during this Malla dynasty. Actually, it is originated to provide the job for this work division, to make this administrative work, official work, social work, community level work easy. So it was originated during this Malla period to provide the job, okay, to the people on the basis of their caste. But later, tarapachi, okay, but later it was used wrongly in the society. Tarapachi यसलाई मान्छेहरूले चाहिँ गलत तरिकाले चाहिँ प्रयोग गर्दै अगाडि बढे. Like this Malvika try to make this understand about this Raj on the topic of the untouchability, because Raj missed his class yesterday. Now again Raj asks the question, could you tell me about this its bad effect? मैले यहाँ भर्खरै भनिसकेँ. What are the bad effects about this domestic violence? What are the bad effects of this untouchability? But questions related with this untouchability. The Raj asks these questions. Could you please tell me about its bad effect? Question mark. Now Malvika, good question. धेरै राम्रो प्रश्न तिमीले सोध्यौ. Okay, said by this Malvika, good questions. Listen carefully. Dot dot dot. It violates the fundamental right and these human rights. यहाँको लेखे पनि हुन्छ जुन अघि भर्खरै मैले एक्सप्लेन गरेँ in front of you all my student. Okay. Okay. So now listen to me here. Good question. Listen carefully. Dot dot dot. It violates. Dot dot भनेको मालविकाले त्यहाँ अझै केही कुराहरू भन्दै छिन् भन्ने कुरा बुझ्नु पर्यो विद्यार्थीहरूले. You understand like this. I am giving you the idea how to just prepare the dialogue. Okay. It violates the fundamental right and the human rights of these people. Similarly, it creates the enmity and the class. Enmity भनेको शत्रुता. Okay. And similarly, class means झडप. लडाई झगडा. Class means. Okay. In the society, it decreases the sense of humanity. मानवता भन्ने चाहिँ कि त भावनाको चाहिँ कि त भन्दाखेरि ह्रास आउँछ. And similarly, people feel self humiliation. So अपमान बोध हुन्छ मान्छेहरूलाई. These are the effects of this untouchability. Mostly practices in this society of Nepal, especially in this rural areas. अझै पनि ग्रामीण क्षेत्रहरूमा गाउँहरूमा ओके यस्तो खालको चाहिँ कि गतिविधिहरू भएको पाइन्छ. Now Raj, oh you are right. Now please tell me about its solution. Just right now, solution also I taught you. Okay, lesson पढिसकेपछि यसैबाट जस्तो पनि किसिमको क्वेशनहरू सोधिन्छ, you must have to create the answer from your own side, my dear student. So take the idea with me, okay? So what are its solution? Could you please tell me? Malvika, question mark. Now the turn goes to the S, Malvika. Okay? Yes. The Malvika said that spread awareness and this education in the society, similarly formulate and implement the effective law, okay, and maintain the social inclusion. यही अघि नै भनेकै कुराहरू है solution. Hey, to formulate and implement this effective law, maintain the social inclusion, increase this collaboration and the goodwill among these people in the society. These are the solution that is said by this Malvika. And now the turn goes to this Raj. Thank you very much, my dear student. Thank you, my dearest friend, by providing me a lot of information and the knowledge about this untouchability. Rajesh said to this Malvika. And now the tone of this Malvika is that, it's my pleasure, you are yes heartily welcome my dear friend. And yes, फेरि तलपट्टि के गर्दिने त भन्दाखेरि ब्र्याकेट भित्र बेल रिङ्स एन्ड बोथ ओके इन्टर इन देयर क्लास लाइक दिस माई डियर स्टुडेन्ट यु मस्ट ह्याभ टु प्रिपेयर वाट डायलग इन योर examinations. This is the way, in this way the question may be asked you in these examinations, okay. And similarly, although this untouchability is an illegal act, it has not been as eradicated yet in this 21st century. Like this, the question may be asked you. Such types of the questions are given in this, especially in the 10 set. I found there. Similarly, in 30 days practice, although untouchability is an illegal act, it has not been as eradicated yet. Okay. In 21st century, how would you convince a person? How could you convince a person of your community believing in this untouchability? तिम्रो समाजमा अझै पनि कतिपय मान्छेहरू छन् जसले अनटचेबिलिटीहरूलाई विश्वास गर्छन् त्यस्ता व्यक्तिहरूलाई है माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट तपाईहरू कसरी कन्भिन्स गर्नुहुन्छ कसरी सम्झाउनुहुन्छ कि 21st सेन्चुरीमा पनि चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि यो अनटचेबिलिटी चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि इलिगल वर्क एन्ड एक्टिभिटिज हो यो चाहिँ अपराधिक चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि व्यवहार गतिविधि हो है भनेर त्यस्ता व्यक्तिहरूलाई तपाईले कसरी कन्भिन्स गर्नुहुन्छ लाइक दिस द क्वेसन इज आस्क्ड इन दिस एक्जामिनेसन ओके First of all, you can convince by saying that it is the bad and the punishable yes work and activities in the society. There are many more yes provisions are yes included in this present constitution of Nepal, which is yes promulgated on this 3rd of August 2072. है वर्तमान संविधानहरुमा कानुनहरुमा यो चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि सामाजिक चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि समाजसँग सम्बन्धित चाहिँ के आपराधिक गतिविधिहरू हो यस्ता किसिमका गतिविधिहरू गर्यो भने कानुन अनुसार चाहिँ दण्डनीय हुन्छ यसरी उनलाई हामी सम्झाउन सक्छौं आई एम गिभिङ यु द आइडिया हाउ टु क्रिएट द आन्सर माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट एन्ड सिमिलरली you must have to I would like to convince the steps of the individuals. Men became the great not by the caste, men become theirs great by their work and deed, not by their caste. Like this I will convince to him to those people okay who still believe on this what untouchability. Like this you must have to clear the answer in your examination my dear students. Similarly, and I will tell him this constitutional provisions whatever it is mentioned in this present constitution of 2072 okay and what are its bad effects and what will it hinders to this other people in their society. Like this you must have to create this answer. And similarly another way also there is to ask this question to you the companion okay companion bhaneko abhiyan what abhiyan the companion to end this gender yes violation the women should yes commence this yes violation once again my dear student the yes companion to end the gender violation to women should commence from their home or their family. Very nice questions okay the gender violation yes violation okay gender violations to women हरूलाई जति पनि चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि भायोलेसन्सहरु गरिएको छ यस्ता खालका भायोलेसन्सहरु लाई रोक्नको लागि अभियान घरबाट चाहिँ चलाउनु पर्छ फ्यामिलीबाट चलाउनु पर्छ. Such types of the questions are very important for the examination point of view. Once again I would like to recite you my dear student how the question may be asked you okay the companion to end the gender violation companion भनेको अभियान जेन्डर भायोलेसन लाई हटाउनको लागि एक किसिमको अभियान नै चलाउनु पर्छ घरबाट है जेन्डर भायोलेसनलाई हटाउनको लागि ठुला चाहिँ भाषण ठुला कुराहरू गरेर हुँदैन कि यो भायोलेसनलाई ओके महिला हिंसालाई हटाउनको लागि हैन राम्रो चाहिँ मतलब अभियान जन्य गतिविधिहरू घरबाट नै सुरु गर्नुपर्छ. What a nice question. Once again, the companion to end these gender violations to women should commence from the home or the family. Justify the statement. Like this, my dear student, the questions are asked. Okay. So take me this idea how to create the answer. Okay. महिला चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि यो डिस्क्रिमिनेसन जुन छ अथवा भायोलेसन जुन छ त्यो अभियान त्यसलाई हटाउनको लागि घरबाट नै चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि एक किसिमको अभियान सञ्चालन गर्नु पर्दछ कसरी जस्टिफाई द स्टेटमेन्ट लाइक दिस द क्वेशन्स आर आस्क्ड ओके नाउ टेक द आइडिया विथ मी So whatever this bad custom that is practices from this home level, early marriage, okay, dowry system, chhaupadi partha, chhaupadi custom. What the mean of chhaupadi? The bad custom, the social problem, especially that is practices in this rural areas of this province number 6 and 7, in which first menstruated girls are kept a little bit far from this home in the hut. गाईको गोठहरूमा पहिलो पटक चाहिँ एकदमधरि नछुने भएका हाम्रा नेपाली दिदी बहिनीहरूलाई लुकाएर राख्ने जुन प्रचलन जुन चाहिँ छ त्यसलाई के भनिन्छ त भन्दाखेरि छौपडी प्रथा. Okay, the steps of the bad custom should be as eradicate polygamy, bahuvivah, okay, dowry system, chhaupadi system should be stopped from the family level first of all. Then only we can stop this women violence. Okay, and similarly equal behavior, okay, and must stop this bad attitude towards this what the Nepalese women. It should be start from this home. Okay, my dear student, this much for today. Again, I will present in front of you tomorrow in the same time. Have a nice day. Stay home and be safe. Thank you very much, my dear student.